Okay, so we'll be invoking now the next stage where we want to split the plan into individual plan documents. Why? As I said into the prompt, so that the file size will be way less and any agent can handle the work more easily and accurately. So, yep. And just for information, I'm using Opus 4.6 and with medium effort because yeah, this doesn't need high effort. It's just like splitting the document into multiple phases. So while it's working, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it has created the files. Let's go through the files one by one. Start with the overview. Let's split it. Yep. The small one is the structure. Where's the output for this? Oh, this is the overview. It will have all of the files or the steps. Chunk 1. Yes. Then we have chunk 2. Shared primitives and configurations. Then we have chunk 3, which is infrastructure observability. Then we have chunk 4, chunk 5, chunk 6. Yeah, I think I got it. So, which means we are good with this one. Now we invoke the taskgen. Okay. So now taskgen, which is 01. Let's see. Now we are drilling down into the task level. Okay. So the chunk sets up project foundation, recommendation 1 task, the 5 plan tasks are all infrastructure scaffolding. Ready. They are tightly coupled. I have a question. The plan has 0 persistence test for this chunk. Mock test is created, deleted. The verification steps are no test scenario in this task. Yeah. Option A. We don't need test for the sake of the test. We need real test which actually have its own merit, right? Okay, so it has created description, specs plan, task. It does look right. Then what did we have? Publish. Do we have publish? Let's try. Let's try to publish. Can you publish this task into GitHub as issue? Let's see if it can or cannot. So by the way, to do that, you need to log in via GitHub CLI. There is a CLI called GitHub CLI. I think it's here. Yay! So amazing, right? One is this one, project initialization. Then we have task 2. Task 2 is TypeScript build config. Maybe what I can do, instead of going even down, we can create a new task and just move it to the top level chunk. We can create a chunk. Yeah, because I don't see any merit of implementing this granular level. Let me ask Claude. Now that so if you see what I wrote, so I'm just asking it, instead of writing task with issue to issue, how about we convert the whole chunk into the issue? Because you see that chunk 1 is actually having the complete deliverable, I can say, right? Let's see what it says. Okay, Mr. Opus actually agreed, and it's directly updating the whole thing. Yes, why not? Okay, so let's go to the browser, refresh. Okay, good one. Now spin up agents and create other tasks according to the chunks. So I'm just asking it to speed up the things and use agents. Clean, I said it's clean. Yep. Okay, so we have created the issues. Now, if you go to the GitHub, yeah, you can, if you can see, like, my tokens are burning. So we have 6 issues. Let's see, how about this one? Chunk 4. That's great. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Oh, it's like descending order. Okay. So now let's wrap up and commit. Okay, so next actually we'll be starting the actual development. It will be exciting. See you in the next video.